Today on Mike Attempts, fixing a free mower. The previous owner said this mower had been sitting unused for a few years. He also said the cables had been damaged during a move. Before taking it into the garage, I want to clean it off a bit. The mulcher plug is jammed up with old grass. Looks like the mice had a taste. The fuel tank is bone dry. And the oil looks good. The air filter is a different story. The wire mesh on the back is severely corroded and crumbling off. I had to use a flathead screwdriver to gently break the bowl seal. The bowl is bone dry too, and I think that dirt probably fell in while removing it. The needle moves freely, and the carburetor valves operate as expected. I think maybe the fuel was drained prior to storage, which will make my job much easier. Other than some surface rust, the spark plug looks alright. A kiss from the wire wheel and it almost looks new. The jets in the bowl bolt are perfectly clean, so I'm not even going to bother removing the carburetor unless I have issues getting it started. The front of the air filter isn't much better. It's hard and the pleats are matted together. Things didn't feel right, and the handle levers weren't lining up properly. That's when I realized the throttle lever was on upside down and backwards. The steel throttle cable is stuck. This end seems to be the problem. After a little lube and some tough love, it started to loosen up. I removed the cable kink as best I could, wrapped it with some electrical tape, and zip tied on a piece of fuel line for rigidity. I also zip tied the cable clamp to the bar to keep it from popping off. All of the wheels move fine except for the left rear. Some penetrating oil and a bit of persuasion freed it right up. If we can get it to start, I'll change the oil and replace the air filter. This mower doesn't have a primer bulb, and the engine says ready start. No joke, that was really the first pull. While the oil was draining, I checked out the blade. Still plenty sharp and no nicks. I got a new air filter and a pre-filter. I don't really understand how the old one got this nasty. I shined it up and re-glued the engine cover sticker. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.